Hey guys, so I want to show you today. We have been like crazy busy, so I haven't been able to show you any videos. I hadn't had time to get them updated, uploaded, edited. Probably hear the cows behind me. Lots going on. So Hurricane Michael is definitely coming through. It's like right over top of North Carolina right now. So if you remember my video from the other day, if I can get to where you can see, we have like so bad flooding. So when floods came through here, not a hurricane, but floods come through here a couple months ago, back in May, and flooded this to where you couldn't even see any grass. So you can see grass. It was really, really bad then. But it began like this right there. There's some trees missing where it goes to the campground. There's a river that flows all along this path. But that was a sinkhole that has opened up where that clearing is. Anyway, the river is completely level with our field now. These fields down here. If you look, let me try to zoom you in. I'm really far away because you can't get down there. That is the river that you see, and it just joins right up with our water, our temporary lake. It's flowing that direction pretty good, pretty steady. I don't know if I can stand still long enough. You can see that it's flowing there. I would assume about 3, if not 4 foot of water. So it's really bad here, guys. Just pray for us and keep us in your prayers, and hopefully this won't be too much damage like it was back in May. Okay, so this is a garden normally. When you can't hear it probably. There's another field. It sounds like we're very close to the ocean. That's how loud the river is, but you probably can't tell it on camera. Where we gonna go?
Library.
Library? With a mommy, just mommy? What was that? Alright, let's go get in the van. Down. Where are we at? Library. Yay! A dinosaur. We're always looking for dinosaur books. Where are you going? Oh, we'll start over here. This is a cool book. Mr. Tiger Goes Wild.
No, we not have that one.
Not have that one?
No.
So, tonight's supper is like super easy, but I'm going to go ahead and share it with you guys because it's just that easy. It's basically chili. It's just chili mac. So that ground beef, when you pre-cook it like I do, it really speeds up any dinner, especially like this. All you gotta do is boil your noodles and throw everything together. So I got some cheese, like Velveeta cheese, which is totally optional. You can still do this. Some dark red kidney beans, a can of diced tomatoes. I've got my I'm using this tonight. Sometimes I have my own that I mix together, but I have that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this tomato paste in. This is not what's on the back of this recipe, but I've always done this. I've always added tomato paste to it and some water. And then I'll add my noodles once my cheese gets down a little, melted down a little bit. Okay, so I've added 4 cups of water and that tomato paste. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Not much. I'm going to let this cheese just melt down just for a minute. Then I'll add my cooked noodles in. We've got some cornbread muffins that I made and that are already done. We served this with cheese, sour cream. I got some green onions out there in a planter. I'm going to cut some of them in just a minute. I did have some peppers from our little container garden plants, and I was going to use them up and put them in here, but I just decided not to. So this is what's going to be for supper, and I'll show you once it gets all mixed together. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and end this vlog for tonight just because it's been a day. It's been a rough couple days with Cora being sick and these flooding and all this going on, and it's just been like crazy. But anyway, that being said, we're just kind of powering through. But the vlogs that I have filmed in the past couple days, they may come out all at one time because I'm just kind of like a couple of days behind. I think I'm only like 2 days behind. Anyway, I've got stuff for them. Some just take longer to edit than others, and I just hadn't had time. So this will be a really easy day to edit, I think. But they just might come out a little odd, not making sense. But anyway, we have kind of a big weekend with our homeschool group and some things going on with it. But and we've got to like make stuff, and we're selling baked goods and crafts and stuff, so I've got to do some stuff for it. So I may not have a vlog tomorrow, or Saturday, maybe Saturday. I'll have one up. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see what's coming up, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Let us thank him for our food. By his hands we all are fed. Thank you, Lord, for daily bread. Amen.